This is a magnetic separation device specifically designed for harsh powder conveyance conditions. Its pressure-resistant design ensures stable sealing even under pressure fluctuations, completely eliminating the risk of leakage. This robust foundation, combined with high-quality stainless steel materials, sanitary welding processes, and an innovative dual-seal structure, physically establishes a reliable defense line that meets high cleanliness standards. Its exceptional iron removal performance comes from the core combination of high-strength magnetic rods, which can effectively capture micron-sized ferromagnetic contaminants. The unique special scraper ring structure works in synergy, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning every time. Intelligent control guarantees continuous production. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows for easy configuration and enables fully automatic, continuous online cleaning without the need for downtime. This not only ensures product purity but also significantly enhances production efficiency. This equipment is the ideal choice for industries with extreme purity requirements, such as food, pharmaceuticals, high-end chemicals, and new energy materials. It quietly protects the smooth operation of production lines and ensures the excellence of the final product. As the export subsidiary of Soest Magnetech, MagSpring is committed to delivering exceptional service and high-quality magnetic separation solutions, ensuring the excellence of every product we offer. Soest Magnetech, defining cleanliness standards through precision technology. MagSpring, powered by Soest Magnetech, we bring you precision and reliability.